Hi guys, we're going to work on some ornaments, starting with Kerfunken Jig, ornaments that we put in Kerfunken. So this one is called, this kind of ornament is called a cut, because you cut the note in half. So instead of playing, for example, the first ornament we're doing Kerfunken is on the B, first finger on the A string, we're going to go, we want to change those two bows into an ornamented long bow. So we use the left hand to separate the notes. Becomes, you're going to just kind of stop the string. So you want it to come at the same moment you would have changed your bow. Like that. Okay, so if we learn a little section of what Kerfunken would have been, it's this. So I would practice it with an A, stop, think about changing your bow, put that first finger down, and then go. Let's do that 3 more times. Don't forget the stop. Stop. And then as we get used to doing that, we can speed it up. Okay? Now the next one will be in the B part, and we're going to do the same finger but on the E string. Okay, so it goes out of this. So I would like to use, no, let's use second finger. I'm going to go. Once again, it should sound like 2 bows, but we use that second finger to cut the note in half. Just like a little boom, boom. So in Kerfunken, it comes after these notes. Nice and slow. D, E, F, F. All right, so let's review those again. We've got A, and then now let's start on third finger in the A string.